Florida CourseShare. Florida CourseShare is an initiative that uses Canvas Commons for sharing course materials created and donated by instructors from across the state university system. These digital course assets can be used to help you develop a new course, revamp an old one, or meet critical curricular needs during times of emergency. Faculty can contribute many types of course materials to Florida CourseShare, including full courses, content modules, quizzes, assignments, and more. Florida CourseShare materials can also be imported directly into your Canvas courses. To find materials for import or download, log into Canvas and click Commons on the navigation menu. Then, search for resources by typing Florida CourseShare into the search field. To learn more about how to access resources on Canvas Commons or to find out how to donate materials to Florida CourseShare, contact CTE at aa.ufl.edu.